Team Brenthel this season, we've had a killer season. The Gen 3 really has been kicking ass all year. No mechanical issues whatsoever. As we've seen, it is a force to be reckoned with. It is a fast truck, it is a strong truck. So I do think we have the truck and the team to pull this off. But we're also going against a team and a driver that is, in my opinion, the best of the best. I want to peel that #1 sticker off of their truck. I like them as a team, but I want to beat them pretty bad. And Brenthel deserves a championship. They put in a lot of effort this year.
Victory, come home to me. You got me on my knees, just begging for more. Victory, come home to me. I got the light on outside my door. When you're on your feet, it's time to make it count. When you're on your feet, it's time to make it count. When you're on your feet, it's time to make it count. It's time to make it count. When you're on your feet, it's time to make it count. When you're on your feet, it's time to make it count. When you're on your feet, it's time to make it count. It's time to make it count. Victory.
Laughlin start day 1, that was a good one. The funny thing about that is we qualified after him. In theory, we're supposed to have the worst line, but just the way it was set up for that race, it was not. And I knew that, so I knew I had a chance. Once he got in the outside lane, I knew those whoops were there because I had done the 6100 race earlier. We just kind of nosed ourselves in there, and I think it was a clean pass. And then after that, it was clear sailing for day 1. Starting next to someone of that caliber is always exciting. The good thing about it is if you get beat by Harley in concrete, it's expected in a way. So it almost is a little less pressure because you're like, okay, these guys are the best of the best. If they beat us, you know, it's probably deserved. But then if you beat them, you know, then it feels a little bit better rather than just beating anybody out there.
You better watch out for the comeback, because the comeback's coming for you now. You better watch out for the comeback, because the comeback's coming for you now. Victory, come home to me. You got me on my knees, just begging for more. I got the light on
So it's Harley or I. No one else is in contention. It doesn't matter if we win the race or Harley wins the race. We could finish 10th and 11th. We could finish 20th and 21st. It's whoever beats each other. We've done over 1,000 miles this season, and it's going to come down to this last 180 miles at Cal City to decide which one of us is the champion this year. Hoping it's us.